No.
You say?
You have sense.
Not here.
At all. I say you have sense. Remove from that terminator this is real life. You have sense. You answer.
I don't understand.
You have sense. The question. You know me say I talk things and not say question mark.
Say hi or no. Do you have sense? That's the question. Do you have sense? That's a statement.
You have the citizen. Don't be telling him to get out.
My country people, make una come forward. Aproko don't come. You see Peller and Jardolita, eh? These two are in love with each other. As an Aproko girl, I dey always chook my eye. I have an inner eye to see where two people are in love with each other. Even though they have not publicly declared that, but I'm telling you guys that from my observation, this their relationship is more than friendship. Allegedly, I no talk say they are dating. I say from my own observation, from my own opinion, from waiting my Aproko eyes don't see, I dey tell una say these two people are in love with each other. The way they just rapport, the chemistry is there. When I know say for my page, I dey always bring updates with the tutorial body, updates will go benefit you, we go teach you one or two. You understand? So on this particular topic now about love, I dey talk about. Say there is love between Peller and Jardolita. They are trying to hide it, but emotions, all this love, this thing, fit hide them. Whenever you are in love, it is show, it they play, it they show. It they always they be like, la crème, la pour. As you they cram and you they pull up. Yes, exactly. So that's how it usually be. I go play the video, make una watch this beautiful video together and tell me one thing you observe in this video. Just take your time, watch this video to the very end. Don't skip any part. You will tell me your observation from this particular video. See now, these two are in love. You cannot deny that fact at all. Make you watch this beautiful video together.
Good afternoon. Good for you.
Over 200,000 African children need your support. Your donation is highly valuable. Hey, it states here that over 200,000 children are hungry. How can I help them?
By donating any amount you can. The account details are there.
But I don't...
Tell me about the pastor lady. Oh yeah.
That is how they are really Peller.
Pick up. From over 200. No. Come back. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Wait down. From over 200. Blah blah. Let's go. Action.
Over 200,000 African children need your support. Your donation is highly valuable. Hey, it states here over 200,000 children are hungry. How can I help them?
By donating any amount you can. The account details are there.
But I don't have any money.
That's okay. Just keep it in mind for when you do.
Why don't you take the children to God? God is our provider and He can provide for them.
Don't have money, just forget it and stop saying nonsense.
That's when you like.
I'm not even there. Say yo, I'm here to come down to me.
Bella, paper and so pick up. Which scene did you talk about? They don't spend money. Which scene is that? That they spend time. Blah blah blah. Is it not?
You have sense.
At all.
I say you have sense.
Spend time.
Remove from that terminator this is real life. You have sense. You answer.
I don't understand.
You have sense. The question. You know me say I talk things and not say question mark.
Say hi or no. Do you have sense? That's the question. Do you have sense? That's a statement.
You have the citizen. Don't be telling him to get out.
Get out.
Let's go again.
These two should get married. We the online in-laws are ever ready, Yes, we are ready for them. They should just release the date already and we go scatter everywhere for them with love. Hello. Now you don't watch the movie, I beg. Click the link on my bio. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your girl, they beg you. I beg. Support Aproko Nation. Support me. I beg. Click the link on my bio. It will take you to my YouTube channel. Go and subscribe. Okay, guys, stay safe out there. See your one and only amiable girl seeing this. See you guys on my next episode. Oh yeah, now. Bye.